back to my channel and welcome to part 2 of my diaper bag series. So in this video I'm going to be talking about potentially using my Longchamp large Pliage bag or tote as my diaper bag. So if you saw the first video, I went over the Itzy Ritzy diaper bag, and that would be a dedicated diaper bag. Initially I wasn't sure if I wanted something dedicated, and I still kind of want to explore using my totes, and so this might be like a little mini series. It'll probably be like 1 or 2 more bags, but I want to try out using this one. I've seen a lot of people turn their Longchamps into diaper bags. I only use this for travel, so honestly it's not really, I don't know, I never thought of using this one in particular because it's always been just like a backup travel bag. And so I purchased this about a year or so ago when I was on a work trip, and I love it. I love how much you can fit in it and all the options, the flexibility. They can pack it up and put it in your bag and just have an additional bag while traveling. And from what I've seen, people who use this as their diaper bag absolutely love it. And so I wanted to get a few things for this to try it out. So this is the bag, and I just have it folded up for now, and I will go over all of the accessories. But all of these are from Amazon. I'll have everything linked below. I got a organizer for it, so because I've just used this for travel and on the go, I never purchased a organizer for it. I did end up getting this one from Amazon. I think it was like only $12 too, so it wasn't bad. And I like the larger bottle holder, 2 side compartments. There's a large side compartment here and on the other side. And then you have a zip up option as well. And then I got a few additional things too. The main thing I wanted was a shoulder strap. So I got this conversion kit that has really great reviews, so that you could have a crossbody option for this in case I just want to carry it over my shoulder versus just using the handles. So I'll put this on with you guys. And then I just saw these really cute little Bear like cosmetic bags that I kind of want to use as well, and just kind of switch it up, right? Like have all the different options for all the baby things. So we'll start with the strap. We'll put in the organizer, figure out configurations, and then how to use the cosmetic bags as well. Okay, so all the reviews said that this matched so well, and I completely agree. Like it matches like texture wise, color wise. I think it looks really good. So I'm really excited about that. Let's unfold the bag, and then here are the strap adapters that this comes with. So it comes like with a little hook, so you can put it back here so that it hooks onto the tote itself. Let me actually zoom, and we'll do this twice. So I'm gonna put one up front, but you just hook this on, and then that way you can hook the strap here, or have the option to hook the strap here. And then all we'll need to do is make sure I have this right. Okay, so that actually is very secure, and that actually hurt, but I got it. I might need to take a little break and do the other one, but when it is on there, it is on there. So here's what it looks like. Yeah, sorry, my thumb hurts from pulling that so hard, but you have to like really pull it hard in order for it to stay secured, which makes sense because it's, you know, you don't want it to go anywhere, so that way you can support the weight of the bag. But ooh, that hurt. Okay, so here's one. Let's turn this over, and so I want to do the second one on the opposite side. And okay, let's try this. So you hook in, pull up, and then hopefully this one's easier than the last. Okay, I'm just trying to stretch this one out a little bit. It's kind of what I did to the other one when I lifted it. Because like I said, this is on here tight and secured once you get it on. So let's see. Oh, I think I can get this one on camera. Okay, so that one was slightly better. Maybe I just knew what to do. Oh, did I get the hook in? Yeah, I did. Okay, so the hook is in. just like this one. Okay, so we have those. Okay, so now you have the D-rings here, so that way again you can just throw on the strap, or any strap, like it doesn't have to be this one, but like I said, like if you look at the stitching, it looks like it came with the bag, which is something that I really like. Okay, and so now you have the crossbody option. And like I said, it's an option. So if you just want to hold it onto this, if you don't want to use the strap, don't recommend taking off the little converter, but I do recommend just popping this off, which is an easy thing once this is on there. And then because this looks like it's kind of made for the bag, I think you're good look-wise when it comes to this. So here's what the D-rings look like up close. All right, and then now for the fun part. So here is the organizer, and we're gonna open up the bag. And throw this in. So I got the beige. So with my black bags, sometimes I get black so it matches. Sometimes, especially with this one, since it's going to be like a diaper bag, I wanted to get the beige so that way it's easier to see inside of it. Here is what the organizer looks like inside. So it covers the base perfectly, folds out, so we are good. And then we have all of the room, all of the options for inside of this bag. Okay, y'all, so I packed this full. So here's what it looks like with everything inside. There's still room to carry more, which I love, because like I said in the beginning, I still am waiting for a changing pad to come in, and then as things pop up, of course, and as he grows, what goes in and out of this bag will definitely change. So let's go ahead and let me show y'all the current configuration. So I like this setup because I feel like it makes a lot of sense. So here's the top overview. And so in this bag, you have a small pocket here. That's just where I have hand sanitizer. So that way it's easily accessible, and that way I don't have to go and dig through things if I need it right away. I have all of my stuff that I typically carry or need in this back pocket. So I have my wallet, I have some purse spray, and then I have my keys with the Louis Vuitton key charm. I always have this attached so I can tuck it in, but I also just have little things that I need, like literally it's just lip gloss right now since it's summer. Lip gloss in here, and then I might add like sunscreen in here during the summer because I have a little purse size one that I need to get out. It's just spring, so we still have time. But I'll probably swap out one of the lip glosses for that, and that way I have it on me just in case I forget to put it on. Can quickly put some on if it's a sunny day. So that's all my stuff, and so that's what is in these two pockets, and then everything else in the middle is for the baby. So we have this little bear that came with a gift set. This is like his little on-the-go bear, so that way he can play with it. We can keep it in the stroller, we can keep it in the car, until he has like his preference of like what he wants to play with. So I just have this up top, and then we go into the organizers. The side pocket over here, I will say that I do plan on keeping the changing pad probably like right here, so behind the organizer, or if it fits tucked into this back pocket, I could also put my Kindle or a tablet eventually in here, and that way it's again something that's easily grabbable. There's also a pocket here, so I can also put it here, or if I want to put like my tablet here and my Kindle here, we can do that. This zipper pocket, I have just two little teether toys. We have plenty of like little stroller options, and plan to keep toys like on the stroller, hooked on stroller clips, but just in case I want to bring some extras, I just threw two of the ones from Itzy Ritzy in this pocket. And then I have a Phillips Avent bottle. This is a glass bottle in here, so it fits perfectly to take on the go. This is the breastfeeding cover, so I actually have this tucked in on the side, so that way again I can grab it if I need it. and it fits in here as well. I just put the blanket, that our baby blanket that we have for on the go, in here, but I can keep this on the side so that way it's separated, or I can put it in here. I can throw it on top, whatever. I don't want to put anything really on top so that way I can see everything and grab what I need. But we have the cover in here, and then we have his little travel blanket. Again, this is something that we got specifically to keep like in the car, in the diaper bag, or on the stroller, so that way we always have like a blanket on the go. And then we go into the organizers. So we have the large bear one, and then on the side I have the smaller bear zip up, and then I have the Itzy Ritzy case with the diapers. So let's start with the Itzy Ritzy case. If you saw my Itzy Ritzy diaper bag video, then this is a similar setup. So we have the full thing of diapers up top, just in case we need them. And then I moved the wet and dry bags into this one because I thought I keep the stain remover in here, and this might be easier, so that way while we're changing baby, all the dirty stuff's kind of in here, right? So we can easily remove this, put the dirty change of clothes inside of these bags, and then bring out the clean clothes. So I have those in there. We have diaper paste spray. We have the stain remover. So again, changing the diaper, dirty onesie, take it off, spray it, put it in the dry erase, and then have that sealed up and ready to go, and then can bring out the next bag with the clean clothes if there's a blowout or anything, or a stain. All over ointment, just in case he needs it on the go, some diaper balm, and then we have some 5 newborn diapers, and then we also have some emergency backup wipes. So we have so many that came in like the registry boxes, and like sample boxes for like the diaper cases or diaper sets that came in. So having like a backup in case like I take this out, leave it in the car, or we run out for whatever reason, we have a backup, I think is going to be nice to have. So that is everything in the diaper case. I'm just going to tuck these on the side. And then I like that this one has a top compartment, or like a top handle, so that way it's easy to quickly grab out of the bag. And then inside of the little bear holder, I do like this one because it is slightly larger than the Itzy Ritzy one that I was using in the diaper bag, or in the Itzy Ritzy diaper bag videos, so the first diaper bag video, so this one. So as y'all can see, you can fit a lot more in here. And I like the functionality of that because I'm able to also keep the backup pacifier clip box in here. So we have one, we got a few of these from Bibs. One lives on the stroller, so like in the stroller organizer. And then this one is just another backup, so that way if for some reason I don't have the stroller, we can just have some additional ones in here. Or if I need to throw like a dirty one in here, I can do that. But then we have this little safety first kit that came with a nasal bub, a brush, and then a little nail clip, and I think it also came with, yeah, a little comb. So just, we're overpacking, we're first time parents, right? But just in case we need them, it's nice to have. Also teething gel and stuff will go in here. There's plenty of room. But since he is a summer baby and we will be having him in the summer, we have some lip balm and some sun stick as well, and that's how we will reach for the most in this bag. And then if I feel like we don't really ever reach for any of these, we can always take them out. But for now, I think it's just nice to have, like safe to have. So we have those. And then this is something too that can like probably live at the bottom because we won't reach for it as frequently, right? Like this is more backup stuff. So I could put this below the diaper since I'll likely be reaching for that more, right? But we have that. And then we have the larger zip up case for the baby. And so this has all of his clothes. There's burp cloths, different things like that. As you all saw, there's also some additional space here. So I didn't put anything in here. So if I also want to keep like a burp cloth, again, to be like easily grabbable in here, I can like tuck one in here instead. right? So that way I can grab it if like I need to burp him really quickly and I don't want to reach for a bag. I feel like that's something that I will figure out and my husband will figure out as we're actually using everything. For now, we'll just keep it in here. But we have 2 burp cloths. We do plan on keeping like a muslin towel in here just in case we need to wipe him off. We also have muslin burp cloths coming, so that way it can be like a 2-for-1. So a towel or a burp cloth, we can also use this, but just have different textures options. We also want to see what baby likes. But overall, 2 smooth burp cloths, a thicker pair of socks, a thinner pair of socks. We have a little beanie. This came in a little gift set as well. We have little onesies. So these are newborn onesies. And then 2, once he gets, you know, bigger, and since he's a pretty large baby, the clothes are gonna grow faster, right? And so it'll be limited on space versus like using the newborn. So keeping the burp cloths out eventually will probably be a lot easier, and that way we have more room, especially if we wanna hold like a full outfit versus just the onesies. But for now we have those. And then I have 2 bibs in here. Again, these came in like little gift sets, and I just think they're so cute, and that, you know, everything matches. So that is everything in the bag. And then that is everything that we have in the diaper bag and how I can see this like configuration going for this bag, which I really love. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.